Here are the performance tests of my 2009 Kohler Wellworth Class 5. Before we do the tests, let's first give it a flush. I like the flushes on these. I know I've heard some people that these Class 5s don't have great bowl rinse, but I still like these because I've never clogged one on normal use. I still like these. Now to some tests. For the first test, let's see if it can take a microfiber rag. Despite how short the flush is, I think it should still pass. And took it without any problems. For the next test, let's see if it can take a grocery bag. Since this bag is mostly new and have the no holes poked in it, I think it either might air it up in the opening or it will take it like nothing. Looks like it took it. For the next test, let's see if it can take a grocery bag and a microfiber rag together. Well, considering the bag was new and it has no holes poked in it that barely took it, I'm guessing this would probably clog. It actually took it barely, but it did it. For the next test, let's see if it can take a microfiber towel. Since it took the grocery bag and microfiber rag together barely, I'm thinking this might take it as well. It did take it with a little bit of struggle. Just for fun, let's see if it can take a grocery bag and a microfiber towel together. It got passed through the trapway opening, which is nice, but it did not come out. Here's the flush with the whatever water is left in the tank. Wow, that did okay, but that was a pretty big test. So overall, I'd say the performance for this toilet is pretty good, but not as good as the Highline Class 5s. Like, not as good as the newer ones, since the Highlines have more power of the siphon, like of the gravity to the flush, and the higher the gravity for the height of the toilet, the more stuff it takes it from the toilet. Like, as I tested my Highline Class 5 with the grocery bag and microfiber towel, it actually took it, like, with a little bit of struggle. So, now to the last test, which is 15 bottle caps, which I'm going to do that next. Let's see if it can take 15 bottle caps. And looks like it took it all, with no problem. Overall, for everything about this toilet, I still like this toilet. It has good performance, but I like the Highline better. But for the round bowl Class 5, it's pretty interesting to get one in my collection. Especially it's from 2009. Well, if you want to see more tests on my other toilets, please like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.